How do I decide whether to buy shares or call options of a stock? Originally, I would just consider the price and duration. For example, when AMD was $80 per share and I felt that it would climb to $90 per share soon, I did not want to invest $800 of capital to buy 100 shares and make $1,000 if I was right. Instead, I only wanted to invest $300 of capital and still make that $1,000 return if I was right. If it's a penny stock or a cryptocurrency and it's dirt cheap, or you could be holding it for years, then yes, you should buy shares. But if you're trading it, or there's a short-term catalyst, or even if you plan to hold it for a few months or a year or two, then you should consider the call options as long as you risk manage, pick a good strike price and expiration dates, because with the options, you're investing less, you're risking less, you're keeping more to diversify, and your returns will be amplified. Ford, I often buy under 12 per share, and I often sell over 12 per share. So a week ago, when Ford was $11.60 per share, I bought the $12 call options. Then, when Ford jumped to $12.20 a week later, I made a 100% gain. With shares, I would have only made about a 5% gain. An example with investing would be if you bought some good stocks that were only crashed because it was a bear market, so you knew you'd make hundreds of percent returns when it recovered next bull market. You could invest less and make thousands of percent returns by holding the call options instead. A trading example, if someone has a small account, but they think Ford will get back to $14 to $16 in a month or two if they pause interest rate hikes, you could just pay $50 for the $13 call option for 3 months out. If you're wrong, you risked $50. But if you're right, you'd make $100 to $300. Options are also neat because they open more opportunities to you. For example, it's easy to short a stock by simply buying put options. There's also strategies like buying a call and a put of a stock that's about to have a catalyst that historically makes it go up or down, so that you'll make money regardless of what direction it moves. But even more professional than that is covered calls. Watch my video on covered calls. With shares and options, you can make guaranteed easy money.